your personality and trait, you can do a psychometric test. Go online, there are a lot of psychometric tests available. Okay, that will tell you what is your trait, soft skills. Okay, for which job profile, okay, you are suitable. Do a psychometric test, because that these tests are scientific. Okay, which will exactly tell you, what is your personality.
You need to research about your own self, right? The kind of aptitude that you have, the kind of personality that you carry, the kind of skill set that is required to be there where you want to see yourself. The moment you start researching on these things, you have something that is preconceived there inside the mind. कि साहब MBA के बाद ऐसा होता है, PGDM के बाद ऐसा होता है, management में ऐसा होगा. So revise it based on your research.
It's why finance or marketing, finance or HR. Why it is not like finance and marketing, finance and data science. Okay, so there are few institutes are there who gives dual specialization, who gives you the opportunity to choose what are the electives that you are going to take. Okay, so you have that option also.
Studying and then putting whatever knowledge that you have into a practicality. So I'm pretty sure all the colleges here have internships, right? So try to take up internships in different roles, be it sales, your HR or finance. Internship is not that it's work, but then you'll get a pinch of how HR works and what exactly happens in sales. So putting things into practicality gives you more understanding about yourself, whether you can fit into sales or you can fit into HR or finance and things like that.
Everyone is talking about psychometric test, analyzing your own, to the SWOT analysis of your own personality, where you can understand your strength, your weakness. That's what the new age non-conventional career is all about, where you can choose your profession according to your passion. That means if you are interested in digital marketing and if you are interested in maybe a blogging, so you are converting your passion into a profession. What happens when you convert your passion into a profession? You feel happy. You feel happy when you are working. You don't feel irritated, job dissatisfaction. All these terms you will not encounter when you started working.
My question is that, as sir told about the ChatGPT and modern technology is coming over for this world, and it is actually disrupting the career options for all those people who are present. So my question is that how will college help out to all those students to increase the level of EQ and not rather increase the level of hard skills or the IQ which is built? Just because according to recent survey, the predictor of success is highly based on the EQ, the communication skills, the negotiation skills, and everything out, which is actually reflected on the personality basis. So what according to you all guys, can college help out individual to grow up all the skills?
Whatever you ask for, it is able to do it. So this artificial intelligence is going to take over many industries and many jobs going forward. So now we have to think beyond artificial intelligence. What is that humans can do which artificial intelligence cannot do? Right? So that's where the new age jobs are going to be. Right? So something like creativity, right? Innovation, design thinking, right? And communication, diversity, inclusiveness, team building, right? So team working. So all these things are some things that you need to be very strong in, right?
AI definitely, as I talked about, AI is not going to take over the job, but definitely because it's the human mind who has designed the entire AI. But AI will not take over the job, but definitely will change the way we used to do the things. It completely disrupt the way we used to operate, the way we used to work. So we need to upgrade. The entire essence of what we are talking about is we need to upgrade ourselves. We need to upgrade ourselves so that we can survive in this entire volatile, uncertain and the complex VUCA environment.
One institution or university, whatever it is, has to have affiliation from one body. Government of India has made two bodies. One is UGC, University Grant Commission. Second is All India Council for Technical Education. किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट को चलाने के लिए दोनों में से किसी एक का अप्रूवल होना चाहिए. नॉर्म्स अलग अलग है. अगर यूनिवर्सिटी खोल रहे यूनिवर्सिटी का प्रोग्राम चला रहे हैं तो यूजीसी होगा, और इंडिविजुअल स्टैंड अलोन इंस्टीट्यूशन है तो ये एआईसीटी का अप्रूवल होना चाहिए. इंस्टीट्यूशन एफिलिएटेड टू एआईसीटी विल गिव यू पीजीडीएम सर्टिफिकेट. Institution affiliated to university will give you MBA. That is the only difference. There is no other difference of MBA and PGDM. That's it.
आप यहाँ हैं और हम भी यहाँ हैं इन सबके पीछे E3 and team. So once again a big round of applause for what easily and